Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to boost productivity and efficiency in your office work, then you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the 3 best AI tools for office work that will transform the way you handle tasks and projects. So let's get started. First on our list is Grammarly AI. Whether you are writing emails, reports, or creating presentations, Grammarly AI ensures your content is clear, concise, and error-free. In 2024, Grammarly has taken its AI game to the next level by offering advanced tone detection, style suggestions, and even AI-driven content generation. It's like having your personal editor working alongside you. Features of this AI is advanced grammar and spelling checks, tone detection to match your audience, AI content suggestion for improved writing. If you are someone who spends a lot of time on writing communications, Grammarly AI is a must-have tool. Next up is Notion AI. This tool is perfect for organizing your workflow, managing projects, and taking notes, all with the power of AI. In 2024, Notion AI has introduced enhanced features like automated task management, smart templates, and AI-powered knowledge bases. The Notion AI feature is automated task tracking and management, AI-generated templates for quick setup, smart knowledge base to store and retrieve information effortlessly. Notion AI helps you stay on top of your task while ensuring that your projects run smoothly. Finally, let's talk about Otter AI. For anyone who deals with meetings, interviews, or lectures, Otter AI is a lifesaver. This AI tool transcribes conversation in real time, making note-taking a breeze. In 2024, Otter AI has rolled out new features like meeting summaries, speaker identification, and collaboration tools that make it easier to share and organize your transcripts. The features of Otter AI is real-time transcription of meetings, automatic meeting summaries, collaboration features for easy sharing. With Otter AI, you will never miss a detail again, ensuring that you are always prepared and on top of your game. And there you have it, the 3 best AI tools for office work: Grammarly AI, Notion AI, and Otter AI. These tools are designed to make your work life easier, more efficient, and ultimately more productive. So, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology insights. And let us know in the comment section which AI tool are you most excited to try. Thanks for watching.